Hey, I'm Clayton Strums, and today we are reviewing the Spin It Pro. So before we get into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that little bell so you get notifications anytime we do amazing videos like this one. So let's jump right into it. The Spin It Pro. So pulling out of the box, I thought that they were, pretty cool. They seemed kind of cheap. Some of this plastic seemed really light. Like I just feel like it needs a little bit more oomph to it. I did end up getting buy one for 40 bucks, get the other one 50% off, so that was nice. Thanks, Michaels. I don't like to buy anything over there unless I'm getting a deal, or at least feel like I'm getting a deal. So I bought both of these. Pulling them out of the box, I had this one that seemed great, and then this one over here has a nice little rattle to it. There's something inside. It's going to drive me up the wall, so I'm probably going to have to open that up and pull that out so I don't throw it across the room one day. So to put it together, it's really easy. This part comes off, we stick it on, and we can spin our attachment right on there. So it all connects really, really easily. So putting a tumbler on is really simple. You push these springs down, and it's going to fit a wide variety of tumblers, and it goes right on there. Super simple. Make sure it looks nice and even. So now that our tumbler's on, one thing that I didn't like about it was whenever you turn it on, it is fairly loud. Obviously it's going to make noise no matter what, but faster you spin it, louder it gets, and when you've got two of them running in the background and you're trying to get other stuff done, it is a little annoying. So another thing that I'm not the biggest fan of on these Spin It Pros is the fact that it does need to be plugged in by USB. So if you've got one of them, you can plug it into a charger, not a big problem. But if you're trying to run a bunch of them, you do need one of those USB ports that has several different ports in there to plug in. So another con I had for this product was the fact that even though I could fit really big tumblers, I found some mugs that have handles attached. It would be really cool if it was just sitting up a little bit higher and I wouldn't have to worry about that clearance. So I could see maybe in the future me removing this bottom panel and putting it on some wood, doing a custom type of job. That way I could get some bigger products in there. If I want to do coffee mugs, anything like that, it'll work better. So overall, I'm really, really pleased with this product. Even though it seemed like I had a lot of cons against it, I think there are things they could do better, but it worked as intended. In fact, when I left my mugs spinning overnight, I let them sit for about 15 hours spinning. I wasn't even in the office, and I came back and it was still rocking and rolling. I didn't have to worry about it coming apart. I was very pleased. So this seems like a product I could really trust over the long term. So again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and be on the lookout for another great video like this one. See ya.